Hello. I wanted to tell you about something important that's been happening, and I thought rather than send an email, I'd do a little video. In fact, it's so important. I've got some notes to share with you. As you may know, I am hosting a trademark workshop on Wednesday. And within that workshop, it's all about protecting your brand. It's a brand protection workshop, really. We're going to cover copyright and why that's important, trademarks and why they're important. And if you didn't know already, you do actually own some rights, or as a matter of course, you don't have to pay and register for them. But within the trademark workshop, we're going to go through step by step how you register for a trademark. Now, I have talked at length, if you follow me online, you will know about why it's important to have a brand protection and have your trademark protected. Now, a couple of examples, and I'm going to change the names. Someone I was supporting at the end of last year, quite big actually, I'd say an influencer, really big in the online space, got in touch with me. And she said to me, Lucy, I've just woken up. It was early morning and I've been tagged by loads of people saying that someone is infringing on our course. We've got this signature course, and she told me the name, and she said someone else has been using it too, and what do I do because I've put everything into this, and she's telling me their plans and the development things and how much they'd spent on it, and it was a huge investment. And I said to her, well, have you got the brand protection rights? Have you registered this? And she said, no, I know I should have done, but I haven't done it. So it's super awkward because all of the community are tagging us saying, someone's copied you, they're going to get that, like they're doing this. And she didn't really have the legal foundations in place to be able to protect herself properly. So awkward to sort that out, but managing to sort that out for her. Similarly, another client, let's call her Alice, got in touch and said, I remember when we were talking a few months ago about whether I should trademark or not, and you told me, Lucy, to trademark, and I said, no, it's all right, I don't think we need to. She's like, someone has just tagged me and they've tagged that they've just registered the brand, but they can't have done, can they? Because it's my brand, and I've been growing this brand for like, she said just a few months, and I went back and checked when we'd had the call, and it'd been almost a year before when we'd had the call, and I said, you got to get a trademark. And she didn't trademark, and someone else beat her to the trademark office. And so my question to you is, what are you waiting for at this point? Are you waiting for somebody to tag you online and say that someone's stolen your brand? Are you waiting for somebody to file at the trademark office first so that you then go, oh my gosh, now I have to rebrand? Like, what is it that stops you from getting a trademark? Because I just had something super awkward happen to me. And the person involved in this, I think, is going to share the story too. I mean, let's call her Kirsty for now. That's not her name, but let's call her Kirsty. I had to have a call with Kirsty today because she is infringing on one of our trademarks. And it's so awkward to have to do that, for the shoe to be on the other foot. And so for me to be the entrepreneur saying, actually, we own the rights to this, and you've got to cease and desist, and you can't carry on using this because we have it protected and it's our brand. And the awkward thing for her is that it's on a podcast, and she's got about 40 episodes where at the start of every single episode, she's saying the name of the podcast, and it's all recorded and all uploaded, and we can't carry on. Like, she can't keep it. And we're going to come to an agreement, because I am not in the business of putting other people out of business, and I want, what she's doing is fantastic. But not everybody's going to be as understanding as I am, and not everybody's going to say, okay, here's some time to rebrand. Other people are going to say cease and desist. I had someone contact me at the start of this year saying, I've received a letter saying I'm infringing. I don't believe I am, but I'm stood in my shop. Do I have to change everything? And literally she's like, Lucy, I've put all of my savings into this. Do I have to change the name of my shop front, the sign outside, the till sign, the bags? Everything for her was physical. And she was saying all the URL, so it's a shop, but she'd got an online store too. So every single website, every link, every backlink, all the promotion she'd done, any blog post, everything would have to change. And the answer is yes. And so I don't know, apart from in doing this video and inviting you to join me on the trademark workshop, what I can do to explain any better of why you need a trademark. So if you are watching this and you don't yet have a trademark, you need to get one. And I want to invite you to join us at the trademark workshop. It's £99 for the ticket if you join us, and I will take you step by step through the application process. The aim being, by the end, you feel that you can apply. You can upgrade that ticket to get access to the replay, so you'll always have access to the workshop in case you want to apply for new products and services and you want to, as your business grows, you want to add more trademarks. You'll also get access, if you've got the VIP ticket, to join me on the Friday, the workshop's Wednesday, join me on the Friday and I'll have a look at your proposed application, the wording for the specification, and we can just chat through that very briefly. You'll also, if you go VIP, get access to our polished videos. So not just the workshop, but the step-by-step how-to guide videos that we have as part of our How to Get a Trademark course. I just think £159, which is the price of that ticket, is just so, it's the tiniest investment comparatively to if things go wrong and you've got to change everything. So I'm going to pop the link here for you to join, and I would love for you to join me in the workshop. Bring your friends. Let's make it enjoyable, fun, protect your business, and don't end up being any of the people in this story where you haven't protected your business, because it's going to happen one day. It's not really an if, but a when, and you do not want to grow big and grow and scale this incredible business and not have protected it. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.